What's up, y'all? ACS, and I'm back with another one. First time ever touching this orange thing here. So what I'm doing is getting the plastic bag out the window. You know, yeah, it don't look like it's gonna sell as quick as I thought. So just little by little, I'm gonna just be doing stuff on it, like a new hood, motor swap, trans rebuild. The motor swap is being done by me. The trans is getting sent out with a bunch of other ones that I got. And then really I'm gonna just use this to provide some content for y'all. Boom, it's on, looking good. Something's up with the window switch, window motor, because I could hot wire it, make it go up and down, but when I press the button, even off another car, I got one off the parts car and I put it on that, still don't work. So gotta check the fuse and wiring on that. It's good, y'all. We back with the hood box. Coming up here to get an estimate. It's right across from the shop, so I pass it every time I leave. What's going on? What's good, man? It's feeling good, man. I supposed to took this car to the exhaust shop. It's a hood box. The exhaust shop, man. There's been a lot going on. Christmases, birthdays, New Year's, two birthdays, both my kids' birthdays. I just held off, man. So finally, I actually went. What, today's Sunday? I went over there Friday. So yeah, you gotta come back Monday. I went over there like 12. At the end of the week, everybody getting ready to chill for the week. And I still be working. I be working every day. Might take one, maybe 2 days off on time. But I'm still doing something on them tired days. Like something, I just can't go without doing nothing. Yep, I just went and took this battery at the blue Chevy. This the one that I got from Walmart for the warranty. So just gonna drop this thing on, put it on the trailer, and shoot. I'm gonna just go over there and drop it off. And then on the exhaust, man, I got some double chambers, 2.5 mufflers, man. I ain't trying to do nothing spectacular. Just need some exhaust before I go to paint. That motherfucker ran out of gas, man. I heard it cut off when I jumped in the truck, but I didn't know what it was. Try to start it. Put the gas in, put it on the trailer. I'm gonna go in the house and eat. Before I make my run, though, I'm gonna disconnect the trailer with the car on there. Cause I need to get in the back of my truck. And this ain't going to the exhaust shop yet. Trailer got the new stickies on it. Man, I said I need to get it together, man. Got new tires on the car, new tires on the trailer. Fixed the fender on it. Man, it was some work too. Fixed the fender on it. Now I just gotta get tires for my truck. So let's load this thing up. Just chop it down, man. It's gonna sound good with the exhaust.
The next day.
Yo, we back, man. It's the next day, man. It's MLK, man. Monday, everything closed, man. So I went over there before. We went to a hotel and all that. We was chilling last night, but I went over there before I loaded the truck and trailer back together. And when I got there, they were like, "Man, you supposed to be here this morning." I was like, "Hey, I'm just making sure y'all still open, man, because I know it's a holiday." I forgot. I really forgot, man, because I had to check on a bunch of other stuff before I went to this exhaust shop. And I ended up buying the wrong mufflers. He said I was supposed to buy offset and center or offset and offset. These are center. Basically both pipes go in and out in the center. So offset, we'll put the exhaust on the inside towards the what do you call the drive shaft, right behind the floor pan. Man, so I went on Amazon. I can return it. They gave me about 4 weeks. I ordered it 2 weeks ago. I don't even remember ordering this. Like, I done bought at least, swear to God, like no cap, I done bought at least 50 things since I ordered this. I can actually go down and count. Man, first crank up. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Got to be sliding for real. Paint shop, here we come. Man, I just picked the car up. Man, it's cold as down here, man. It don't get cold like this though. January. Start warming back up in February. Man, the damn car cut off. Like literally, I'm riding out the door at the exhaust shop. The car cut off. I'm like, what the fuck is going on, man? This car only got a carb, bro. Like a carb in a yeah, but let me through. Yeah, this is what the exhaust shop at. On Highway 85, the last shop right there. Marshall brake and muffler brake. I'm like, what the? The car got a damn ATI distributor in the car. Alright, it's all working. My ignition being charged. So I gotta run me a one wire, a power wire from the alternator over, then ignition to the car for the alternator. I would do it right now. It's real wet right there. So, shit, I should just take this car. I ain't even gonna lie. I should just take it to the shop. Do that little wiring quick. Close the door. Got the heat on. Yeah, I only gotta run ignition and the power cable over there. But it gotta be custom made, custom crimped. I ain't got no cables. Yeah, I think I might just run over there and do that. Yeah, I think I might. Came to the shop quick, man. Bad motherfucker right there. Get this piece of shit off here. Get this piece of crap off the trailer real quick, man. Do this quick wire. Charge cable on, and then I gotta find a way to beautify this, but it's only working for now. I got a part number for this hose. I think I'm gonna wait another week, man. It's Tuesday. I was trying to take it Friday. I'm waiting another week, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do the coil springs, shocks, front and back, take all the tint off, change the rear end, change that hose, change this hose, because I just put the zip ties on here and I see that. I just don't want nothing that'll, hey, the car fucked up, come get it. I just want it to go up there and be good. So I'm just going to plug it to the back of the alternator for now. And then disconnect when I unhook the car. Damn. I ain't about to pull it back in. I got other stuff to do. And BS. Let me do that real quick. Stop the alternator. I'm gonna turn the idle up a little bit. Then shoot, I'm going home. Do some work.